Hi everyone. Today we are learning one of the most useful Excel function, XLOOKUP. So if you have already used XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP in the past, then this is something which you will like even more, since this is more powerful, easy to use, and solves many of the limitations of the old lookup functions. So what by the end of this session, what I'm expecting is you will you will be able to retrieve data from one table to another and get only the required output, irrespective if the table are related or not. It will work on a single index value. Index is nothing but unique value present in both the data sets. So what is XLOOKUP? So let me answer that question very quickly. XLOOKUP is an inbuilt Excel function which helps you to retrieve matching results from one or two different tables. So the syntax for XLOOKUP goes like XLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup array, return array. If not found, what should be the output? So, to explain more, what is lookup? Lookup is what are we searching for? Lookup array is where are we searching for? Return array is what should be the output. And if not found, it means we can populate it as not present, present, or zero, or whatever is expected. And then there is also an function match mode. So if you want to match word to word, then you will be using exact match. If you want to search top or bottom, start searching from top or bottom, then we'll go top, then we can mention from top or we can mention from bottom. Now, so why XLOOKUP? So like I mentioned, we can compare left table with the right table. We can do XLOOKUP inside the same table, and since it's an inbuilt function, much easier, and the output accuracy is much higher as compared to VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. So enough of this theory. Let's get started with some practical example on XLOOKUP. Yeah. So let's suppose I have an employee data. Okay. Now the HR wants to see based, let's suppose HR doesn't have the names as of now. But the HR says, I want to know what my employee ID 104 is looking. What is his name? Details of 104. Let's suppose we have 104. So let me just rewrite this as look up ID. We have the lookup ID. What the result in the result? I want to know the name. Let's suppose I write name. Okay. Now I see currently we have a sample data of just hardly five records. So most of you will say, "Arey, we can see it and write it down." What if the organization has 1,000 employees? What it has 10,000 employees? How are we? So it is going to be much difficult to find out. What if I want 784th employee ID name? What will happen? We'll have to search manually, blah blah blah, go through 7,700 rows. If everything is in order, if not, then go to all 1,000 rows, all 10,000 rows. So to reduce our efforts, we can make use of XLOOKUP. Let's see. So, like I mentioned in the syntax, it is I'll just write is equal to XLOOKUP. It says lookup value. I want to look up at the lookup ID. Yes, I'll just select that cell, comma, lookup array. Lookup array. What is lookup array? Where do you want to search? I want to search in this employee table. So I'll choose the whole table. Okay, I want irrespective of on what row this 104 is present, I want it to be go looking for it. What should be my return array? Return array means what is I am expecting. I'm expecting the name. Let me choose the B column. Here we go. We have B. And now what does it say? Return array. Now let's go. If not found, let me write it as employee not found. Hmm. Now let's close our bracket. Let's go enter. Oh, 104 is Emma. Yes. So here, now within one query, I am able to get any employee ID. I could just simply drag this down. Maybe I can write 101 now. Yes, I'm getting 101. What if I go, let's type a number which is not present over here. Let's found 785. Employee not found. So this is one of the quick example and application of XLOOKUP. I hope you understand what XLOOKUP is going to give us, and I am looking forward for you to practice XLOOKUP, use XLOOKUP, and also let's set up a practical practice example for everyone. I want you all to implement XLOOKUP in the given data set, and I want you all to find me who is 102, who is 104, and try for 110. Yeah, yes. I really want you all to try. And once, if in case of any blockers, feel free to reach out. I'm here. Let's master Excel together.